Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome to another session of EVS Interactive class. Children, in our last session we had discussed about nests of birds. And in today's session we will discuss about nocturnal animals and migratory birds from other countries. Now let's talk about nocturnal animals. You must have heard this term before also. Nocturnal animals are the animals who are awake at night and they sleep during the day, or we can say animals who show the behavior characterized by being active during the night and sleeping during the day. Such animals are called nocturnal animals, means they are active during the night and they sleep during the day. And children, such creatures, such animals generally have highly developed senses of hearing, smell and especially eyesight. They can see in dark, and such examples are bats, owls, fox, firefly, moth, porcupine, hyena, raccoon, flying squirrels, etc. These are the animals which are nocturnal. Here you can see pictures of some of the nocturnal animals. Children, here I want to add one more thing, that owl is a nocturnal bird, but many people, they misunderstood bats as birds. So I want to clear you one thing, that bats are not birds. They are mammals. So don't misunderstood it with birds. Owls are birds, but bats are not birds. Children, in chapter Animal Life, we had discussed about a term, migration. Hope you are remembering that term. Anyways, let's discuss this term once again in contrary to migratory birds. So first of all, we will discuss the term migration. Migration is a process of movement of animals from one country to another country, or from one place to another place in search of favorable weather conditions and food. The animals migrate to either lay eggs or for the brought up of their young ones, or in search of food. So this process is known as migration. And the birds who migrate from one country to another country in search of favorable weather conditions and food are called migratory birds. There are many birds which migrate during cold season from one country to another country to get favorable conditions to lay their eggs. So such birds are migratory birds. Now let's discuss some migratory birds.